How to fix WS-43305-5 error when downloading FIFA 19 demo on PlayStation 4. FYI, 1. There might be a major firmware update about 3:30 p.m. in the UK. 2. The PlayStation Store is back up, almost. Below are some tips you may try out. 1. Download and install the PlayStation app at https://goo.gl/exxkfs or https://goo.gl/samf5i on your phone, and add the FIFA 19 demo to the library. Then go to the PlayStation library on your PS4 system and download FIFA 19 demo from there. 2. Press the triangle button on your PlayStation controller when you're still facing the WS-43305-5 error. When you're back out of the store browser and head back into it after a quick refresh. 3. Log in through the PlayStation Store webpage at https://goo.gl/te7dz8 or on PlayStation app.